In Pulsarena, you will buy yourself a pet, a little monster, and you will go into battle against other players' pets and try to win enough to get on the leaderboard and gain some great rewards. It costs 15 GBNT to buy a pet. They all have the same stats to start with. The only difference between them basically is how cute they are. So you choose the pet you want. All right, I'm gonna name my pet Micrasis, which is a funny pun, I think. I came up with that in about 10 seconds, and I gotta say I'm quite proud of myself. So it's Micrasis. That's the name of my pet. And let's see if Micrasis knows how to fight. Oh, I can click on matchmake. When the matchmake button turns green, you can click on it, confirm the transaction, and usually this goes through chain link, takes about a minute, and then you can look at the results. Here I can click on start the fight, and let's see how this one goes. Against 329. Let's see how this fight goes. Doesn't start very well for Micrasis. Oh, wow. That's a 0 right there. Yeah, this is not the start I was hoping for. Yeah, this is looking like Micrasis is getting annihilated. What I'm hoping for, oh my god, is that at some point he's gonna wake up and start hitting and hitting and hitting the opponent. Come on. Because so far I haven't thrown almost any hit. All right, there you go. 5, this is good. Come on, I need more. I need so much more to beat 329. I wanna win. I wanna show you guys that I'm good, that I can win. Come on, the Micrasis is good. It's not up to me, really. I don't have anything to do. If Micrasis sucks, it's not my fault, all right? This is going much better now. It's another 0. Come on. There you go, a 15. A 15 is good. I think that he's about to hit me now. Oh, 25, and that's it. It's over. I won. Micrasis won the first match, and now as you can see, total matches is 1, total matches is 1, total wins is 1, and there you go. I'm gaining points to get on the leaderboard eventually. Let's play once more. All right, we got a match. I got a match against $5 Handy. Let's see how this one goes. It's not a good start for me, but actually this is encouraging, because last time I won when I had a horrible start. Now this is getting pretty even now. Oh, actually I'm getting the upper hand now. I like that. This is looking good. Looking good for Micrasis right now. $5 Handy. Doesn't sound very appetizing right about now. He's getting destroyed. There's a 10 on his side. That's good for him. Ooh, 25, and that's it. He's dead. Never stood a chance. See you next time, $5 Handy. All right, as you can see, I now have 3 matches done. I won twice. I lost once. You didn't see it, because I don't want you to see me cry. I'm a sore loser, and I cry a lot. All right, we got another fight coming. It's against Fight. It's a fight against Fight. So original, man. Wow, how did you come up with that name? And here I was, proud of my Micrasis. And he comes up with Fight. The pet fighter. That's amazing, man. All right, the fight is on, and it's quite even right now. Both of us exchanging hits, and it seems to be in my favor. Well, not anymore. It's very, very even matchup. I like that. I don't like the fact that Micrasis is almost dead. As I'm saying that, not looking too good right now. Another 20, and this is, come on, you can do it. A 25, I need more than 25. I need another 25, come on. You can do it, Micrasis. Give us the 25. A 15 is good. It's pretty even right now. And another 15, and Fight is dead. So I won another one. Now this is interesting. The picture of your pet will evolve as you win more matches, making your pet stronger. Now let's see where I'm up on the leaderboard. And as you can see, I'm number 13, which is pretty good. I'm actually quite impressed how high I got by playing so few games. If you can get on the leaderboard and stay there until the timer ends, you will get some sweet rewards. The rewards vary each day and they will be bigger for special events like we had in the past for Fight Night, which was amazing by the way. Nox, the founder, was participating and talking with people in the Telegram. Everybody was having a lot of fun, and you get big rewards for these special events. When the rewards are distributed, the score of the top 20 players are reset. Those who didn't have rewards keep their scores and have an advantage for the next reward distribution, especially number 21, which then becomes number 1. This way, even if you play less than other players, you still get a chance to enter the leaderboard eventually. Like I said, players in the leaderboard will get many types of rewards, mostly GPool and USDC, which are the standard rewards. And after the reward distribution, scores for the top 20 players will be reset. However, number of wins and pet rarity will not be reset after prize distribution. The leaderboard will keep track of the top 20 players, and these players will share the rewards in the pool according to these numbers.